Hello, everybody. It's E-Chip with Contentment. It is mid-September 2025, Saturday morning. Beautiful weather out here. It's about 45 degrees this morning, and it'll get up to a high of 70 Fahrenheit, roughly. Couple things we got going today. Robber is, you can see Robber back there. We're clearing out this area here to make more room for the remainder of our roof beams. We have 9 more to build, and because they're 32 feet long, we need a place to put them, and this seems like a good spot. So Robber's been cleaning out these tumbleweeds and stuff to make room for that. And then what I've got going is we are gonna remove these straw bales in our garden area and level this area out for the season, for the winter. The straw bales have been good borders for our raised beds. However, number one, as you can see, they're breaking down. They do that after a couple of years. And the other thing is they can't remain here in the garden area if they break down, because this barley, when it was growing, was treated with a very persistent broadleaf weed killer. And so things will not grow in that stuff. And if we leave it here in the garden to decompose, when I say persistent, I mean it's 7 years persistent. So we have to get it out of here. And, so we'll find another purpose for this straw. And I know exactly what I want to do with it. Let me show you. Hey, everybody, say hello to Dinah. So we leveled out this area just before we put up the solar panels so that we could have a nice, flat area here, because we're on a hillside. And so we're getting some erosion. Now, we don't get a lot of rain out here, but we do get some. And when it rains hard, as you can see, it's starting to erode the hill away. So I put some fresh soil up here, gonna build it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna toss those straw bales right down alongside the hill here for erosion control, and also so that nothing will grow up in front of the solar array. So that's what's on tap for today. And here we go. A bunch of pieces of straw bale thrown down here underneath the solar thing. I think I'm just going to leave that as is and let it settle out over the winter. And then, if we need to, next year we will smooth out or knock it down or whatever. So, yeah. It's the last one, Robber.
Yep. Finally.
It's only taken us, what, a year and a half?
I don't know, a long time.
Are you glad it's over?
It's just beginning.
Well, I mean the beams project.
Yeah, I guess.
I'll be glad to get rid of this table and take down the fixture on the front of the shelf.
Yeah.
And there it is, 1,672 linear feet of roof framing glory. Oh, I can't wait to put them up on the house. But I also can't wait to finally tear this fixture table down, and I can't wait to tear that fixture out also. Put the house back together there, and can't wait to put all of this away and cut it up for firewood.
the next day.
Hey everyone, it's Robert. And today we have to work more on I-joists. We kind of cleaned up the property and stuff so we could have more room yesterday. So today we have to rip 5,000 boards.
And we got a few more of these composite beams we got to build.
Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to use the term I-beam. I forgot. My bad.
Yeah, we don't want to get in trouble with the I-beam police, with the I-joist police. So, yeah, we gotta finish those up, clean up this garden area. What else we got?
Well, we're not supposed to do that. We can't do anything until the composite beams are finished. I got in trouble for that the other day. What?
Anything else?
Well, we have to get beams built. Yeah. That's all I know.
Hopefully we can get some more cleanup done on the property too, because we got a busy fall coming up. Sort of get some stuff out of the way so we can do other stuff. Plus I got to work full time too. So does she. That's the thing about us here, even though we live off grid and we homestead and all that kind of stuff, we still have jobs, at least for the next few years. So we gotta work our jobs besides.
I will be a skeletor in a classroom. That's how long I have to work. Literally.
A skeleton? What do you mean by that?
My body will be moldering in a classroom because I have to work that much longer.
That much longer. Well, we'll see.
I'll be 95.
A 95-year-old teacher. What would I think of a 95-year-old social studies teacher?
I don't know, but last week I met a guy who'd been teaching for 51 years.
Yeah? Was he still all there in his head?
Yeah, he's pretty sharp, but...
Still all there?
Yeah.
No, I mean, he hadn't considered suicide yet or anything?
Oh, we don't use that word.
He hadn't considered buying his own farm?
No, but he taught seniors, so that's a kind of a far cry from 7th graders. But anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we better get to it. Saw, your days are almost through. This little saw we picked up for 50 bucks. And the only thing it's strong enough to cut is sheet stock like that. We can't rip boards or anything with it. There's just not enough power. So, and it's old and beat. So, as soon as this project's over, I think we're done with this thing. It's going to the scrap pile.